Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back again everyone. Alright, in today's video, we are going to decorate my loft and my bedroom in bold colors and how to mix all this color together and also mixing metals. As you can see over here, this wall art is my inspiration in these decorating ideas. My top also with my throw pillow. Alright guys, let's get started.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get loud, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine.
This video is a part of our Glam Squad Spring and Easter series, Room Decorating. The members are myself, Glamour Ellen, N of Luxury Living with N, Ollie of Glam Home of My Style My Color, and Tammy of Glam Queen of Decor. Everyone, after you watch my video, please go over to my friend's channel and tell them I sent you. Their link will be in my description box along with the playlist. And guys, stay tuned on Sunday because we are going to bring our full home tour for spring and Easter.
Let's hit the club, time to make a move, we got it late, ain't got nothing to prove, I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get loud, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get loud, come on, lose control.
This vase right here, actually guys, this is candle holder. This one came from Pier 1 2 years ago and I only paid $10. And again, I reused my flowers that I have from Amazon 3 years ago. So our decorating ideas today, we're gonna decorate items what we have, so no spend for me in this decorating guys. And again, I'm gonna reuse this Glam candle. I had this last year from Home. I have this a very long time ago. I think this one is 7 years old. From TJ Maxx. And I was when I'm still living in California. And right over here, this book came from Alice or Ollie's, and this one is $20, but the regular price is $120. And it's a lot of inspiration in this book. So as you can see guys, our color combination for today is burnt orange, green, soft pink, and of course metal. So that's my theme in this look. It is the bird and my wall art, and you see my dress as well. So this one, you've seen this before. This one came from Pier 1. This one right here, I thrifted from Goodwill a while back. don't know where's the price, but I think this is $2. You can use this one as a base or just a roll. I have this food stall from Home Goods 3 years ago, and you know I love emerald green, and burnt orange or orange is my favorite color way back, and I changed to pink, but today I would like to combine them all together and make this work. So if you have items the same thing I have here, colors that I use today, maybe you can play it around in your decorating ideas. I used this curtain during fall, and I thought I can only use it for fall, but I'm bringing it back on spring and maybe summer as well. You see how pretty this curtain is. This one came from Home Goods, guys, and it was like burnt orange or coral. It's very pretty. I'm bringing back my floral arrangement. This one right here, I got this one from Home Goods last year, guys. And I also have the small one. This one also from Home Goods 2 years ago. This flower right here, I have this in my kitchen, and this has been a week now. From Trader Joe's. I keep cleaning them, I keep changing the water so that it's not fresh. Alright guys, so in my bed, it will be the same, but I will add this bunny that I have from Home Goods 3 years ago. So to have a little bit touch of spring, I mean Easter. And I have this straw blanket that I reviewed last year from Loft, and it was very pretty. I'm bringing her back. And this one is coral or pink, and it was ombre. Alright everyone, are you ready to see the reveal of our decorating for today? Okay, let's start from the loft first.
I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know, you know. Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside or wait until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming how people can hate on me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. No one can break me, no one can bring me down. I wanna be where I'm safe and sound. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Oh, oh, oh. I wanna stay wide open.
Everyone, please let me know, did I nailed it or failed it? Are you going to try this at home? How to mix your bold colors together with your metals? And if you do, please comment down below. And if you like this video, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload videos, you will be notified. Please don't forget to check my friends' channel to see what they come up for today. Stay tuned on Sunday for our full home tour. Bye-bye. Be safe.